Do you know, Ramandeep, they say that only 20% of people, or 40, nearly 20 to 40% of people will be passing the PEBC evaluating exam. And Ramandeep Kaur is one among them. So how do you feel this?
It's amazing. I'm preparing for my qualifying now, so that is the biggest success once I clear the qualifying.
So how many months you have invested here and how many months you have done this preparation?
I started in November, filed for June exam in January. So from March, I'm fully dedicated,
Like,
to complete all the time study and everything.
yeah, it's 3.5 months, maybe I can say.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Ashrita Admin Managed Light Expertise. Today we have got our results. Don't anticipate it was Australian result or New Zealand result. No, this time it is Canada PEPC exam result. And yet again, Elite Expertise has got 95% of pass percentage. And we have got our own Ramandeep Kaur who has passed the examination. And we are very happy that she is able to pass the examination. She's a BPharm graduate from India, from Punjab. Sat Shri Akal, Ramandeep Kaur. I guess I've made it good.
Hi, thank you.
Hello. So how are you feeling? आपको कैसा लगा ये result देखने के बाद आपको how did you feel?
I'm happy. It was amazing.
I know, I
Yeah.
can see all the joy. It was your second attempt, right, dear?
Yes. Yes.
So
My
why
second.
why did you choose Elite Expertise, after your first attempt? Why did you choose Elite Expertise for the second attempt?
I want a guidance from one person. I took a course before, but it is from different mentors.
Oh,
I want guidance from one mentor.
yeah.
So the elite experts sir and ma'am, they both helped. Like I just listen classes. It's from one mentor, their own guidance. So
Yeah.
that's my personal, I think,
Yeah.
choice. I
Yeah.
can't learn from different people. I can learn only from one or two person
Everyone.
max. So so
I know.
that helps me.
Yeah. So, what did you see the real difference between the other institutions and Elite Expertise, dear? आपको क्या अलग लगा दूसरी institutions और Elite Expertise में?
It's about resources. जो रिसोर्सेज थे वो टू द पॉइंट थे, इतना वास्ट नहीं था कि ये भी पढ़ लो ये भी पढ़ लो. इट्स
I
लाइक टू द पॉइंट कि यू कैन, इट्स फ्रॉम बेसिक्स, लाइक यू हैव टू क्लियर योर concepts,
Yeah.
and then the handouts, like you can even review before your exam. That's it, you are done.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that helps a lot as well.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Yeah.
were you attending the live class or recording? Live class attend करते थे या recording? What were
I
you doing?
attend both.
Oh,
Both. मैंने क्योंकि नवंबर में ज्वाइन किया तो मेरे पास टाइम कम था, तो
okay.
सर ऑलरेडी सब कवर कर चुके थे, तो मैंने सुना सिर्फ रिकॉर्डेड, क्योंकि मैंने तो शुरू से स्टार्ट करना था ना. तो
Yeah,
फिर
yeah.
सभी लेक्चर्स रिकॉर्डिंग्स सब देखी, एंड लाइव में जैसे हम डिस्कशंस कर लेते थे, एमसीक्यू
Oh.
डिस्कशन. Yeah.
Yeah, that helped you, right? Because you were having a personal interaction with the trainers, and you were clearing all your doubts with sir and ma'am. So that helped you maybe to crack the examination. I can say that.
Yes,
Yeah.
that helps.
Yeah. So can you remember the days, Ramandeep, while you were studying previously, and did you find any change before and now after joining Elite, dear? Something, any change?
No, it's I think about my personal dedication. I wasn't that much dedicated at that time. Uh, to be honest, I didn't prepare well at that time. But this time, I gave proper dedication
Yeah.
and proper time and give my best.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So, which part of the exam was most tough for you? Is it biomedicals or calculations or therapeutics, dear? Which part was most tough for you?
It's the clinical thing. Clinical is the one is the toughest and the vast coverage. You will
Mm.
get, yeah, it's always a clinical thing.
Yeah,
That
clinical.
is,
Yeah. And who was teaching the clinical part here? Is it Arit sir or Harika ma'am? Who was teaching it?
it's sir covered the most, but
Okay.
ma'am also covered like infections. I learned from ma'am all infection thing, and the all the systems, important systems, that's covered by sir.
I know. Do you know, Ramandeep, they say that only 20% of people, or 40, nearly 20 to 40% of people will be passing the PEBC evaluating exam. And Ramandeep Kaur is one among them. So how do you feel this?
It's amazing. I'm preparing for my qualifying now, so that is the biggest success once I clear the qualifying. Yeah.
You will definitely, don't worry, you will definitely. So, how many months you have invested here, and how many months you have done this preparation?
I started in November,
And
and when I think I filed for June exam in January. So from March, I'm fully dedicated,
like,
to complete all the time study and everything.
yeah, it's 3.5 months, maybe I can say.
Yeah,
Okay.
3.5
Yeah,
months.
yeah. So, like, were you following only the materials which sir and ma'am gave and only the lectures? Because other students were saying they were following correctly, whatever sir ma'am was saying, they were dedicated, they made it like, I have to follow this and all.
Yes, those things I have
Only
studied on.
those, like, because most of the people who are preparing, they'll just think like, हाँ ये मैंने MCQ पढ़ा ये आएगा, they have this.
Yeah.
वैसा कुछ किया नहीं तो you were having the conceptual kind of thing there.
Like videos देखी, lectures study किए, and yeah, that's it.
You made it. Yeah. Did you share this news to any of your family members?
Yes, I did. I called my family and my brother, so they know. Yeah.
They are happy about it, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and many students say that they were able to hear sirs and ma'am's voice while they were appearing in the exam, while solving the questions. Was it with you the same, Ramandeep?
Yeah, like the concepts they clear.
Hmm.
Yeah, that helps a
That
lot in the
helps you.
exam.
आपको बहुत या ये वाला तो आप जस्ट इमेजिन करो रमनदीप आपके साथ ना अभी सर और मैम हैं आप उसको क्या बोलेंगे मतलब उनको क्या बोलेंगे अभी
उनका थैंक यू है, उन्होंने गाइड किया। या
या
उन्होंने या बस थैंक यू ही कर सकते हैं, वो भी कम है।
क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि हाउ कैन एन ऑस्ट्रेलियन फार्मासिस्ट दे टीच कैनेडियन फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम डू यू थिंक दे कांट टीच और दे कैन टीच
Obviously, it's all about concepts. It's all about knowledge. It doesn't matter. Everything actually, care is the same. Doesn't matter which country or which. It's all about care and your knowledge. So it's the same everywhere.
Yeah, because if your concepts are very good, अभी आपका foundation बहुत अच्छा है. Now you have got a good foundation. Eventually, you'll have a good foundation. This foundation for your qualifying and OSCE as well, right? Because now you have got the plenty of things. So, what do you want to say to the people from Punjab who are preparing for the PEBC exam there?
Like वो क्लियर करें, अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करें, एंड पहले से ही ऐसे स्टडी करेंगे। उन्होंने इवैल्यूएटिंग में बैठना है ऐसे ही शुरू में, जैसे वो अभी बैचलर भी कर रहे हैं तो ये कंसेप्ट अपने माइंड में रखें कि उन्होंने करनी है, इवैल्यूएटिंग में अपीयर होना है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग स्टडी करें।
Yeah, I know. I can see all the blushing thing from your face as well. That's okay, not at all. And बहुत सारे candidates ने ये भी बोला, like even for the OPRA and other things, whatever they have not learned in those 4 years of B.Pharm or 6 years of PharmD, they got to learn over here. Is this the same, Raman? Like, is it true? Like, they were able to, crack all the concepts. Was it true?
Yeah, as I said before, material is good. Like the video lectures and the things, all the handouts, they are good. So that helps a lot.
Yeah, that helps. So what's next, Raman? Next, the qualifying exam?
Yeah, qualifying. November is too near, so I will think about my 2020.
What if Alex sir will also give training for qualify exam?
Oh, I asked them. They said soon. I don't know when. They soon will.
Thank you very much, Ramandeep. I'm so very happy for having you today because I can see, a clear, very good pharmacist, and whole Punjab is proud of you. All your
Thank you.
family is proud of you because it's not a normal achievement here because you're in that bracket, right? So we are very
Yes.
happy for having you. And what do you want to say? Few words, about Elite Expertise and your journey, dear. You can say last few words.
मैं जस्ट थैंक यू कर सकती हूँ कि उन्होंने अच्छी गाइडेंस दी, अच्छा टाइम एंड मटेरियल सब इस just a thank you.
Thank you so much. It was really very nice to have you on today's interview. Thank you so much, Raman.
Thank you. No problem. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.